Imagine standing on a frozen tundra and watching a living, breathing woolly mammoth lumber past like it's 10,000 BC again. Sounds like Jurassic Park? Nope, it's happening right now. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most mind-blowing scientific projects of the 21st century, the real-life resurrection of the woolly mammoth. You'll learn how scientists are using ancient DNA, cutting-edge genetic engineering, and living elephants to bring this Ice Age giant back from extinction. This isn't science fiction anymore, it's science fact. Let's step into the future by going back in time. Woolly mammoths went extinct about 4,000 years ago, with the last survivors living on a remote Siberian island. But before that, they dominated the northern tundras for over a million years. They weren't just big, hairy elephants. Mammoths were keystone species, nature's landscapers. They knocked down trees, fertilized soil, and kept grasslands thriving. When they vanished, entire ecosystems shifted. Tundras turned to forests, grassland to swamps, and carbon once locked in frozen soil began leaking into the atmosphere. With climate change accelerating, scientists are now asking, what if bringing back the mammoth could help us save the planet? In 2021, Colossal Biosciences launched with a mission straight out of sci-fi: to reverse extinction. Founded by tech entrepreneur Ben Lamb and Harvard geneticist Dr. George Church, the company has raised tens of millions to bring back the extinct species, starting with the woolly mammoth. Their goal isn't a zoo attraction, it's ecosystem restoration. They believe mammoths can help fight climate change by reviving the Arctic grasslands and stabilizing permafrost. No, they're not cloning mammoths, that's impossible. Full mammoth DNA doesn't exist. Instead, they're creating a functional hybrid. Using CRISPR gene editing, they splice mammoth genes into the DNA of the Asian elephant, its closest living relative. The process has four main steps. Step 1. Recover mammoth DNA. Scientists extract DNA fragments from frozen mammoth remains in Siberia, then map the genome by comparing it to the elephant DNA. Step 2. Over 60 genes are targeted for shaggy fur, fat storage, cold-resistant blood, and other mammoth traits. Step 3. Create embryos. Edited DNA is inserted into elephant egg cells to grow embryos, potentially inside artificial wombs under development. These synthetic wombs bypass the risk of using endangered elephant surrogates. Step 4. Raise the mammoth calf. By late 2020s, Colossal aims to birth the first mammoth hybrid, built to survive the Arctic cold and behave like its ancient ancestor. The goal isn't just to make mammoths, it's to reintroduce them into the wild. One target site is Plasotin Park in Siberia, a real project led by Russian scientists aiming to restore Ice Age ecosystem. Mammoths can help by knocking over trees, compacting snow, fertilizing soil, spreading grass seed. These actions could help refreeze permafrost and prevent carbon and methane release, potentially cooling the planet. Even a few hundred mammoths could make a major ecological impact. Not everyone's on board though. Critics raise ethical and ecological concerns. What if mammoths disrupt today's ecosystems? Can a hybrid survive without a mammoth mother? Is it ethical to use endangered elephants in this process? Colossal argues that their technologies can help protect species and not just bring them back. From saving elephants to reviving the Tasmanian tiger and advanced human health science. As of 2025, Colossal has edited dozens of mammoth genes into elephant cells, created coal-adapted cell lines, and began testing artificial wombs. Their bold prediction: the first mammoth hybrid will be born in 2028. From there, small herds will be raised and rewilded, studied for behavioral, survival, and climate impact. And they're not just stopping at mammoths. Colossal is also working to bring back the dodo and the saber-toothed tiger. We're entering the age where extinction might not be permanent. If you love mind-blowing science like this, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out what's coming next. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.